Hey guys, what's up? This is Bergamon260 and today we are going to be summoning the anvil god in Mice Girl, also known as Transformice, only it's a hacked version where you get more money. Let's summon it! I heard this could crash computers. But you have to stack it 6 times. Oh, hold on. No, come on. I can't even. This is a failed attempt on summoning the anvil god. And come on. Almost. Darn it. Oh, by the way, if you didn't notice, I got a haircut. Oh my god, it's glitching. I shouldn't have done this. No. Why? No, don't kill me. Attempt number 2. One more. Darn it! Hey! Why did you do this to me? Why? You're tearing me apart. No, don't kill me. Fine then, I'll have to kill you. That just made it worse. I think I already summoned it. Why? A few more seconds. Okay, a few more seconds until I try attempt number 3 of summoning the anvil god. Okay. Attempt number 3! It just looks like some weird spiky worm with blue eyes. No! Another failed attempt! Anyways, that was a failed attempt on trying to summon the anvil god. Yes, it's a failed attempt. Anyways, bye.